domain and be held in sin's dread sway. Rather have Jesus than anything this world affords today. Give me Jesus. Give me Jesus. You can have all this world. You can have all this world. You can have all this world. Just give me Jesus. Just give me Jesus. The only thing I want in life is to be known for loving Christ, to build his church, to love his bride, and make his name known far and wide.